Hey guys, I wanted to really quickly bring you this update from my YouTube channel here. I have a couple trend lines that I'm really interested in right now. Last night I told you guys that I had these red lines drawn out for a potential falling wedge, which could be bullish if we break out from it, which when we broke out from it, we did have a 18% move to the upside, so that was actually pretty significant. I did not play that. I did play a short when we broke this support of what I was assuming to be a rising wedge. It was another one of those situations like yesterday where it wasn't really building any momentum and then dropped support. And since things have been so bearish lately, I was expecting us to retest this red wedge from last night, and I was thinking a potential over a 30% drop. And you play that with leverage, and that's a very nice move. Unfortunately, that never happened, and we kind of started going right back up. So I actually stopped myself out. Um, it was in a very small profit, but it was basically break even. I didn't want to take any risk on at that time, and I basically just took a profit big enough to cover my fees and that sort of stuff. Basically break even. What I'm looking at now though is this green line kind of comes from the start of our most recent dump, and we have broke that trend line. And also, since we've been consolidating after that dump, we've been setting this very gentle sloping trend line here, and I think if we get a 15-minute close above this yellow line here, I think there's potential for a decent size rip upwards. Another pattern I've noticed here, you guys know I fucking love triangles, and here we have a potential triangle. To play that, you'd be looking at more of a 15-minute close above the triangle line here. That would be a little safer than the one we're currently fighting with here. And the way you would pick your price target is you take the height of your triangle, move that to the breakout point, and to be a little more conservative, we're gonna tone her back to our support of the triangle. But even that breakout alone is almost a 30% move, guys. And honestly, I'd probably look at taking profits below my white line because that's a weekly support line. So that would be more of a 24% move somewhere in there. Either way, you apply 5 or 10 times leverage depending on your risk. But that's a decent sized move right there. If I do play along here, I will probably be looking to exit my play if we break this support. That is acting as our triangle support right now. If we break that line, I think I'll lose my faith in the pattern, and I'll be willing to cut my losses at whatever, get out of the trade, wait for the next one. Patterns don't always work, but you just gotta be smart about it. You're not going to win every trade. You're not going to lose every trade, hopefully. Just be smart about it. Don't go all in on a trade. Just limit your risk. You want to be able to lose many trades, not just one or two. And yeah, do your own research, guys. Obviously, nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a professional by any means. I'm just telling you what my opinion and my take on the market is. And try and make a little money, because up or down you can make money in these markets, and everything's been very volatile lately. It looks like we might get that move right now, so I'm going to post this video as fast as I can. Stay safe, guys.